Hi guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Oils Are Blessings. My name is Sam, and in this episode I will share with you another tip on what you can do with your empty essential oil bottles. So if this is something that you would like to watch, please keep on watching. Okay, so you have tons and tons of essential oil bottles that are empty, and some of you may not know what you can do about it. No, some others would just throw them out. What if you're like me na nanghihinayang? You would rather recycle, diba? Okay, so your essential oil bottles, so it has its stickers. So you can actually peel them off. So yeah, let's peel it off. Yeah, sample. It's easy to peel off. But then if there will be some residue, yung gum niya, you can actually just place oil and then rub it off. So yun, para maging malinis siya. Before I forget, I have other videos on what you can do with your empty essential oil bottles. So if you haven't visited or checked them out, please check out the link on top. Okay, so for your empty essential oil bottles, you can actually take off the reducer. So what's the oil reducer? The bottle reducer, that's the one on top. Okay, so you can take that off. And with Young Living, they actually sell roller fitments. The roller fitments of Young Living are metal on metal, meaning the ball is actually metal and the casing is also metal. No, it's not plastic like others. No? So we know that essential oils are very potent, the oils are pure, so we know that they actually eat off plastic. So yeah, metal on metal. So if you make your own blends and you want to share your blends or your oils with your friends, you can actually reuse your bottles instead of buying, diba, yung mga 10 ml roller bottles from Shopee or what's the other one? Hala, Shopee or oh my goodness, I forgot the other one. I'm a Shopee user kasi. Okay, so anyway, you know what I mean. So instead of buying, you just buy the roller fitment and reuse your bottle. So make your blend, add coconut oil, buy the roller fitment, and share your blend to your loved ones. So if you like this video, click the like button, share this to a friend, subscribe, and hit that bell so that you will be notified the next time I have another video. If you want to learn more about essential oils, or if you want to study aromatherapy under Amy Galper, I will leave the link below. And if you want to have your own set of essential oils with a diffuser at 50% off, I will also leave the link below. Again, my name is Sam, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye! Peace and blessings!